Going to the supermarket. Honey,
Yes?
we do not have much food.
Really?
Yes, the fridge is almost empty.
Let me see. You are right.
We need to go to the supermarket.
Okay.
Do we need milk?
Yes, we need milk.
What about eggs
Yes, we need eggs too.
and bread?
Yes, bread is important.
Do we have coffee?
Let me check. No, we do not have coffee.
Then we need coffee.
That is very important.
I will make a shopping list.
Good idea.
Milk, eggs, bread, coffee. Do we need fruit?
Yes, apples would be nice.
Okay, apples.
When do we go?
Maybe now.
That works for me.
Let me get my bag.
I will get the car keys.
Great. Let us go. Cleaning the apartment. Honey,
Yes?
can you come to the living room for a moment?
Sure. What is wrong?
Look at this mess.
Oh, wow. Yes, it is messy.
We really need to clean today.
Yes, I see that.
There are clothes on the sofa.
Yes, those are mine.
I know.
I will take them to the bedroom.
Thank you.
What else should we do?
The table is dirty.
I will clean it.
The cleaning spray is in the kitchen.
Okay.
And there are dishes in the sink.
I will wash them later.
Later?
Yes, after we finish here.
Okay, that is fair.
Where we have a vacuum cleaner.
It is in the closet.
I will vacuum the floor.
Great.
Wow, there is a lot of dust.
I told you.
When did we clean last time?
Last weekend.
Really?
Yes.
Time goes fast.
Yes, it does.
Okay, the table is clean.
Good.
Now I will vacuum the floor.
After that, we can clean the kitchen.
The kitchen too?
Yes.
That is a lot of work.
I will make coffee after we finish.
Now I am motivated.
Maybe I will also make pancakes.
That is even better.
So let us finish cleaning.
Deal.
On the bus. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. Does this bus go to Baker Street?
Yes, it does.
That's good. It's my first time taking this bus to work.
Really? Why is that?
My car is broken today.
Oh, no, that's not good.
Yes, but the bus is comfortable.
Yes, and today it's not crowded.
By the way, my name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you too. Do you work near Baker Street?
Yes, I do. I have my own gym.
Really? What do you do there?
I'm a personal trainer.
That sounds interesting. I work in an office.
What do you do exactly?
I'm an accountant.
That's a very responsible job.
Yes, but I sit a lot at work.
Many people have that problem.
I think I should lose a little weight before vacation.
Honestly, you look great.
Thank you. That's nice of you.
But if you want, we can train together this weekend.
Really? I would love that.
Great! I can show you some easy exercises.
That sounds perfect. Here's my phone number.
Thank you. I will send you a message later.
Great. I'm happy I took this bus today.
Me too. Sometimes bad mornings become good days.
At the gym. Hi, are you using this machine?
No, I'm not. You can use it.
Thanks. Are you new here?
Yes, it's my first week at this gym.
Welcome. I'm Jate.
Nice to meet you, Jate. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too. Do you like this gym?
Yes, but I don't know how to use many machines.
That's normal at the beginning. What is your goal?
I want to get fitter and lose a little weight.
Good goal. How often do you want to train?
I would like to train twice a week.
That's a good start. Do you need help with this machine?
Yes, please. I'm not sure what to do.
First, adjust the seat like this.
Okay, like this?
Yes, perfect. Now keep your back straight.
Oh, I see. Is this correct?
Yes, that's very good. Start slowly.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem. Are you training alone today?
Yes, I don't know anyone here yet.
If you want, we can train together sometimes.
That would be nice, thank you.
No problem. Are you coming this weekend?
Yes, probably on Saturday morning.
Great. I'm usually here then.
Perfect. See you on Saturday.
See you, and good luck with your workout.
Thanks. You too.
Late for work. Good morning, Alex. You are late today.
Good morning. Yes, I know.
What happened?
My bus was late.
Very late?
Yes, about 30 minutes.
Oh, that is a lot.
Yes, it was frustrating.
What time did you leave home?
I left at 7:20.
That is usually fine.
Yes, usually I am early.
Was there traffic?
Yes, heavy traffic.
Do you know why?
I think there was an accident.
That happens sometimes.
Yes, sadly.
Did you check another bus?
Yes, but it was also late.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you.
Next time, send a message.
Yes, good idea.
Just a quick text is fine.
I will remember.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. We are busy today. Please check your emails first.
Okay.
Then call the new client.
Sure.
The number is on your desk.
Great, thank you.
And Alex,
Yes?
try to come earlier tomorrow.
I will, I promise.
Good.
And sorry again.
It's all right. Let's start the day.
New employee meets coworker. Hi, I'm new here.
Hi. Welcome.
My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too.
Which team are you in?
The sales team.
Oh, I work with them sometimes.
That's good.
Do you like it here?
Yes, but there is a lot to learn.
That's normal.
Yes, I'm still learning.
Do you know where the kitchen is?
Not yet.
It's down the hall.
Okay.
We usually eat lunch at 12.
Oh, really?
Yes, most people go together.
That sounds nice.
Do you want to join us today?
Yes, I would like that.
Great. We can talk about the job.
That will help a lot.
I can show you how things work here.
Thank you.
The team is friendly.
Good to hear.
What did you do before this job?
I worked in a small office.
In the same role?
Similar, but smaller projects.
Here the projects are bigger.
I see.
But you will learn fast.
I hope so.
If you have questions, just ask me.
I will. Thank you.
Okay, see you at 12.
See you later.
In a restaurant. Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help?
I think there is a mistake.
Oh, I'm sorry. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered grilled chicken, but this looks like fish.
Yes, you are right. This is salmon. I really apologize for the mistake.
That's okay. Mistakes happen.
Let me fix this. I'll bring you grilled chicken.
Yes, please.
It will take about 10 minutes. Is that all right?
Yes, that's fine.
I'm very sorry again.
No problem. Thank you for helping.
Can I bring you something to drink while you wait?
Yes, can I have a glass of water, please?
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Sure. I'll be back in a moment.
Thank you.
Here is your water. Your chicken will be ready soon.
Great, thank you very much.
Here is your grilled chicken.
Yes, this is what I ordered.
I hope everything is perfect now.
Yes, it looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Looking for the keys. Tom, have you seen my keys?
Your keys? No.
I cannot find them.
Where did you see them last?
I think they were on the table.
I do not see them here.
That is strange.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, they are not in my bag.
What about your jacket?
Let me check. No, they are not there.
Maybe they are in the kitchen.
Why would they be in the kitchen?
Maybe you put them there.
Maybe.
Let us look together.
Good idea.
I will check the kitchen.
I will check the bedroom.
Emma,
Yes?
I found them.
Really? Where?
They are next to the coffee machine.
Oh, wow.
Do you remember now?
Yes, I made coffee this morning.
That explains it.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem.
I lose my keys too often.
Maybe you need a bigger key holder.
That is a good idea.
New neighbors. Hello, I'm Tom. I live next door in 4A.
Oh, hi. I'm Anna. I moved in 2 days ago.
Welcome to the building.
Thank you.
I'm sorry to bother you.
That's okay. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine. I just wanted to talk about something.
Of course.
There was some noise last night, around 11 p.m.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
It's not a big problem. I just wanted to let you know.
Yes, I understand. I was putting a table together.
Ah, that makes sense.
I didn't realize it was so late.
The walls are quite thin, so we can hear a lot.
I see. I'm really sorry about that.
Don't worry, it happens.
It won't happen again.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Does your family live with you?
Yes, my wife lives with me. She starts work early.
Oh, I understand.
But really, it's okay.
Thank you for telling me.
No problem. If you ever need help, just let me know.
That's very kind of you.
Welcome again, Anna.
Thank you, Tom. Have a nice evening.
You too. See you around. Borrowing sugar. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. Sorry to bother you.
No problem. What's up?
I have a small problem.
Okay.
I'm making a cake,
Nice.
but I don't have any sugar.
Oh, I see.
Do you have some sugar?
Yes, I do.
Can I borrow a cup of sugar?
Sure. Wait a second.
Thank you so much.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Are you baking for a special reason?
Yes, my friend is coming over.
That's nice.
It's her birthday today.
Oh, wow. Happy birthday to her.
Thanks. I want to make a chocolate cake.
Sounds good.
I hope it tastes good.
I'm sure it will.
I'm not very good at baking.
Don't worry. It's easy.
Do you like chocolate cake?
Yes, I love it.
Maybe I can give you a piece later.
That sounds great.
When should I bring the sugar back?
Don't worry about it.
Really?
Yes, you don't have to bring it back.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's just sugar.
That's very kind of you.
No problem.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Okay, I need to bake now.
Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
See you.